Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Manifest with Finesse on YouTube. My name is Manifesting Gaia. That is my Twitter, TikTok, podcast, and Instagram. All the links are down below. And my affirmations list and audio rampage email is down below. And my manifestation workshop with a Manifest Money course, which is my favorite one by far, program is in the description as well. And today I'm going to be doing a money rampage because somebody requested a millionaire rampage. You are a millionaire. You make thousands a day. You make hundreds of thousands a week. You make hundreds of thousands a day. You make millions a year, hundreds of millions a year, tens of millions a year. It doesn't matter. The point is you're financially free. You're wealthy. You are paid. You are pretty and paid. You wake up to random deposits. You wake up to checks in the mail. People just love throwing money at you. People love throwing money at you. People love giving you money for absolutely no reason. You go outside, money. You take a shower, money. You go to sleep, money. People love paying you just to exist. You get paid just to exist. Your existence pays itself. You deserve money just because you exist. You don't deserve to struggle. You don't deserve to have it hard. You deserve to be a multimillionaire. You deserve to have large deposits in your bank account every single day. You deserve to not have to worry about money. You never have to worry about money. You literally never have to worry about money because you know everything's taken care of. Your reality takes care of you. The divine takes care of you. You are always taken care of. You never run out. You have more money than you know what to do with. You have more money than you know what to spend it on. You love being able to take care of yourself, your friends, your family, your partner, the world. You love donating. You love helping the world because you have all the financial freedom in the world. There's nothing you have to do. You don't have to work for it. You don't have to work. You have so much time, money, and location freedom. You can go anywhere. You can move here, sit there, travel there. You love having the freedom. You love the feeling of freedom. You love the feeling of being free. You love the feeling of not being tied for the rest of your life. You are so lucky. You are so blessed. You are the luckiest person in the world. Your luck never runs out. Your money never runs out. You never worry about it. It is safe for you to receive money. You know it is safe for you to receive money. You feel guilt-free receiving money. You deserve to feel guilt-free receiving money. There's nothing wrong with it. There is nothing wrong with your wealth. There is nothing wrong with being rich. There is nothing wrong with having money. You deserve it. You deserve an easy life. You deserve to receive the things that you want. So if you have money, accept it. If you desire money, it's because you're meant to have it. You are a natural born abundance magnet. You are a wealth magnet. You are a magnet for money. Wealth is your birthright. Abundance is your birthright. Your mind is worth millions. You deserve every single thing that you want. Every dollar, every penny that you spend comes back to you multiplied. I don't care what it is. A dollar, a pound, a yen, a naira, a franc, a euro, a rupee. Every single thing you spend, no matter what currency, no matter how much, comes back to you multiplied times 100,000. You deserve the financial freedom that you're calling in. You have it now. Abundance is all around you. You don't know why. Money just shows up and you have no idea why. You have no idea where. It's because you deserve it. It's because you're the main character. It's because you're meant to live this luxurious life. You deserve a life of wealth. You deserve a life of freedom. You receive money from all types of avenues, known and unknown. You have multiple streams of income. You never have to worry about where the money's going to come from. You just know it's coming. All of your debts are paid off. All of your debts are cleared. You don't know debt. You don't know what debt is. You always have more than enough. Everything is paid off. All your bills are paid off. All your credit cards are paid off. You don't even have bills because by the time bills come around, you have double the money that you spend. More money comes in than goes out. You never worry about spending because you know it's coming back. You never worry about money, where it's going, where because you know it just comes. It just circulates through you and circulates through you. Money is just a revolving door in your life. It just keeps coming in, it comes around. You are more than abundant. You are more than worthy. You are more than capable of having this money that you want. You are more than capable of living a beautiful, lavish life. You live a beautiful, lavish life. You live the exact life that you want to. You have everything that you want. Everything goes perfectly for you. You always get your way. You are a master manifester. You are the luckiest person in the world. You receive money so quick and instantly. You get instant deposits, instant transfers, instant cash. You have everything. Your wallets are full. Your pockets are full. Your bank account is full. Everything is full. You are full. You are full of money. You are full of abundance. You are full of wealth. You love this wealth. You love being a multimillionaire. You love making so much a day. Your income triples every single month and you're so used to it. You are so used to this feeling of wealth. You are constantly in the state of receiving. You are constantly in the state of wealth. Congratulations on your beautiful wealth, on your beautiful money, on being a millionaire. Congratulations. And with that being said, that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, you can have anything you want in this universe. Nothing's too big, small, wide, or expensive. I believe in you. You should believe in you. Money manifestation program in the description. And I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.